Is anyone here? Make a noise if anyone's here. Make a bang to tell us you're here. Chicken. Fucking chicken now.
If anyone is here, make a noise.
Bang on the front door or any door in here, loud so we hear you. Stop walking now. Is there anybody here? If so, walk above me on the floorboards.